Good morning. Today is class 10 English video session. I am going to start with some of the grammar practices that are very important for you in the CBSE board pattern. This is a new type of thing, like the options will be given and you will be given the passage with blanks. Among the 4 blanks, only one answer will suit the particular place. So now what you have to do is, it is also good if you make a pause and write the question, write the answer, and then check with it. Let me start with it. Butterflies are abundant dash the Central African Republic. It dash home to nearly 600 identified species. Many butterflies are brilliantly colored and small dash. Some are as big as saucers. That is a full stop after saucer. Okay. Farmer Philip dash solace in collecting butterfly wings from his field and turning them into works of art. Okay. My favorite hobby since my childhood is dash butterflies. Now let's see what are all the options that are given in the first dash. In, from, for, and into. In the second dash, the following options are there: has, is, was, and are. C. The options are if, therefore, so, while. D. Options given are find, to find, finding, finds. E. Option is catch, caught, catching, has been, catching. Objective: to use grammatical items accurately and appropriately. The most important thing is, these 4 may be in some context in the spoken form may be used, but what we have to take here consideration is the most appropriate and accurate, not near or near, somewhat near. We have to find out the exact, accurate. Okay, so the difficulty in this, the difficulty will be in that 2 or 3 may come to the position, so we have to find out which is the best. Now think and write what is the right answer. You need to write the passage, only then you can do it. It is better you write the passage so that we can continue with this can be answered. The heading is gap filling. Okay, gap filling. The heading is gap filling. Yes. Shall we see the answers now? Yes, I'll read it. Butterflies are abundant in the Central African Republic. It is a home to nearly 600 identified species. Many butterflies are brilliantly colored and small, while this place I think many would have done mistakes, while some are as big as saucers. Farmer Philip D finds, F-I-N-D-S, finds solace. What is solace? Comfort, in happiness, in collecting butterfly wings from his field and turning them into his work of art. My favorite hobby since my childhood is dash Catching, C-A-T-C-H, has been, no, catching, is catching butterfly. Yes, if one thing is wrong, don't worry, cancel it, write the correct answer. Yes, write the correct answer. Let's go to the next one. Yes. Choose the correct appropriate one from the thing. Yes, in classes we dash ways of harvesting rainwater and making use of dash drops. A young boy told us that when he washed his face in the morning, he dashed throw away the water. He collected it in a bowl for the birds. His mother dashed it for dash the floor. Now let us see the options that is given in the one. Decided, argued, discussed, emphasized. Most of the time the children never give patience. They are not patient to read what the word is, what the actual content is. They keep rushing for the answer. You have to read. Decided, argued, discussed, emphasized. The reason why things are going wrong is because you don't read properly. All, second option for the B dash, all, each, every and many. For the C you have mustn't, shouldn't, didn't and couldn't. And for the D you have collected, kept, used and saved. E, have making, breaking, brooming and mopping. Find out the words that are apt for these words, these fill in. Yes. Shall we start? In classes we discussed. What? Discussed. Not decided, not argued. Emphasized. We discussed, because ways of harvesting rainwater, you have to use appropriate word. You have to think of the context also. Okay, when you are thinking about the context, you will be able to find out. If you read the entire topic 2 to 3 times, you will understand what they are trying to say, and then you will be able to think about what is the right option. If your reading itself is not there, then there is no point in finding out which is that. You write something and it comes as a wrong. This is the part, the grammar C section is the place where we can get full marks, provided you all read it correctly. The time when given to your CBSE paper, reading itself, you are given more than 15 minutes. The children don't use that. They start writing, they do waste the time unnecessarily, which leads to such issues of mistakes. So when you are writing, when you are reading, read it. Open your mouth, don't make noise, but you open your mouth if you want, and you can read it also. Without making any noise, you can read, so that you are assured that you don't make any mistakes in this. Okay, so first, in classes, let us see, in classes we discussed ways of harvesting rainwater and making use of every drop. Okay, of every drop. A young boy told us that when he washed his face in the morning, he didn't throw away the water. He collected it in a bowl for the birds. His mother used it for mopping the floor. What did she use? Mopping. Brooming, will you use water? Breaking the water? Making? No. Mopping. M-O-P-P. Like cleaning the floor? Yes, that is mopping. See the spelling of mopping? M-O-P-P-I-N-G. Is that clear to you? Shall we go to the next one? Yes. Please check the answers correctly. Yes. 7. The numbers may not be the same. You put your numbers, okay children? You don't use this number. I have not taken only the things which are very important only I have chosen. So what you have to do is you use 1, 2, 3 running numbers. Clear? Yes. A part of Arabia, A dash a desert. The sand be dash so hot that you dash walk over dash with your bare feet in the daytime. During night you can dash it pleasant. Okay. Now you have totally how many dash? 5. So there each 5 dash has got 4 options each. Clear? Was, is, has, had. Second is was, where, are. Couldn't, mustn't, shouldn't, wouldn't. That, this, it, these. Observe, feel, express, touch. So, find out the answer. We will read about it in the next class. I will start with the answers of it. Okay.